as you know that I am doing geography previous year questions from the civil services examination. I have started from the year of 1979 and I have already completed two parts of this 1979 question, because I think there was a lot of question in 1979. So this is the part 3. This is about myself. So let's see the part 3 of 1979 question. Okay, so the planets nearest the sun is Mercury and Mars, Earth and Mercury, Mercury and Venus, Mercury and Uranus. So this is actually C, Mercury and Venus. Okay, the planet nearest to the sun are Mercury and Venus. Next question, the great philosopher Shankara advocate, okay, Devata, Hinduism, altruism. So actually B, Advaita. Okay, so he advocate B. So the answer is B. Next question, what factor changed the landscape of India most in the last century? Okay, irrigation, movement of people from rural to urban area, industrialization, deforestation. Okay, so I think you can answer this question. This is actually B, the movement of people from rural to urban areas. Next question, recent 1979 discovery of method of reducing salination of soil is spreading the husk of on the soil, extensive use of fertilizers, intensive use of fertilizer, none of the above. This question they are asking recent, means these things happen in soil in 1979. Okay, this discovery has done in 1979, something around 36 years ago. So this is like current type of question. So suppose you are writing for 2023 question, so maybe something will happen in 2023 and they can ask the question from there, so it can be possible. So please track what is happening, especially in geography or agriculture. So these questions might come in your exam. The answer is actually A, spreading the husk on the soil. Next question, which of the following are animal product? Okay, leather and meat, silk and polyester, linen and silk, cotton and silk. Okay, so I think you can answer this question very easily. It is A, leather and meat. Okay, you know that. Okay, leather and meat is meat. You know that meat is from animal and leather is also it's like from animal. Okay, next question, productivity being low, cottage industry produced a lot because it employs large number of people. No power is needed to manufacture most of the product. Raw materials is generally available locally. It caters mostly to the rural population. So this is actually A. It employs large number of people. Okay, so it's nothing but it's provide large number of people. It's employ large number of people. Okay, next question. Minor planets revolving between the orbit and Mars and Jupiter are called asteroid, comet, meteors, novas. Okay, so I think you can answer this question. It's like very simple. This is actually asteroid. If you read little bit about geography, you can answer this question. It is like asteroid. Next question. The weight of an object at the pole is greater than the equator. This is because on the of the shape of the earth, the attraction of the moon is maximum at the earth's surface. The attraction of sun is maximum at the earth's surface. Gravitational pull is more at the pole. So this will be actually the answer will be D for that, because this is related to gravitational pull. Understood? There is nothing related to distance from moon and all that is not going to work much. So it is actually the gravitational pull more on the pole. That is the answer. Okay, next question. Less uh, dew is formed on cloudy night because clouds absorb the falling dew, clouds scatter moisture. In cloudy night, the radiation takes place very slowly. In cloudy night, the radiation takes place very quickly. Actually, see, in cloudy night, the radiation takes place very slowly. Okay, that is the reason of less dew in the form of cloudy night. Okay. Next question. Feeding of milk cattle with cotton seed, okay, increases fat content temporarily, decreases fat content temporarily, may decrease or increase the fat content, causes no change in fat content. Okay, the answer is actually A, increases fat content temporarily. Next question. Age of a tree can be determined by counting the number of rings, by thickness of the bark, by the bulk of the tree, by the number of leaves. This is actually A, by counting the number of rings. Okay, these things is not going to help you much, but by counting the number of rings. Okay, so this will give the age of the tree. Okay, so this was the end of like 1979 question. So next class I will come up with the 1980 question. So I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.